The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
How you gotta take him out? You like you can barely for me.
Good afternoon, everybody. I would like for this to go viral. I have a serious situation here in Nassau Village where there is a gentleman by the name of that is stealing people's land. He is putting trailers in the back of people's home, taking the back part of their land. Also, this is a water and sewage cooperation cone. I don't know if they dig this well here, but somebody needs to invest and see what's going on. Is this man above the law? This is a welly dig. Also, he has illegal immigrants what is renting from him. They're living in these trailers, and this is just one. They also have a fridge in here with running current, chain on it, mop, toilet, and this is an outside bathroom inside of the bush. I don't know what is going on, but we need some help. Person is coming back here. Sit down. We need some help. Use the bathroom. Do everything in the back here. We need some help, please. If somebody could come and help the residents of Nassau Village, Poland Division number 7. We really need the help. Then also we have a gentleman who is fixed bus by the name of Jean. He is a Haitian descent as well, and is paying. Jean is paying Ari to put bus on people's land, taking the back part of their residents' land. Some of the people at their land with fence on it, and they break down the fence to put all of these buses on people's property. They dump in all kind of cars. They break down the people's fence, and they need to stop. We need some help in Nassau Village, Poland number 7, Poland Division number 7. And it's really becoming deplorable. Please. And this gentleman, he has land papers going around. Land what he ain't even has. Going around and having people come and say they own these properties. We need the help from the government with this Airy Percenti guy and all these trailers and stuff what's going on, all the car dumping and all of this. We need the help from our government. We've been crying out too long, from Dion Smith time to Mr. Mutri and to everybody. We've been crying out for some help. Thank you.
Viewers and subscribers, those are some serious allegations you can hear that have been made by the person talking in the video, you know. See? Yeah, man, are some serious allegations them there. Sometimes when a person is angry at a person, you know, they sometimes will say some things that can be the truth as well as it cannot be the truth. Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again, you see? Yeah, I just presented to you a video that is about a land dispute between persons. You see me? Now, I don't have the confirmed information as to where the video be recorded, but the person in the video said Nassau Village, and based on the person's accent and the name of the place that the person mentioned, you might get an understanding as to where that video be recorded. I don't know when the video be recorded, is it? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video because I have more videos that I'm going to present to you. You see? The next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female asking persons for help on social media. The female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her house burnt down. And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Now I'm going to say some things for security reasons because I do not know this female. I've never met this female before. I've never even talked to this female, whether by phone or face to face. So therefore, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want to help this female, you'll be doing so at your own risk. I'm not saying that the female is lying about the things that she said in this video. It's only because the things that she said in this video really and truly touch me right here. However, I do not know the person. I've never seen the person before, not even talked to the person in no form. So if you're going to help this person, you'll be doing so at your own risk. Alright? Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning, friends. On Facebook, every friends that may have out there and so forth. Good morning, good morning. You're talking with Aishanta Simit. I'm looking out for a help because my house get burned, everything get burned up, furniture, house, everything. May I beg a help? My number is 34 12 9 35. Anything, any small help when me can get with my 2 kids. They may have 2 kids outside now. No have nothing, bed, nothing, everything burn up. Everything, as you can see, burn up. Everything burn up. Everything for me burn up. Everything. Everything. I just me and the kids them. Nothing for them. Nothing for them. Me just a beg a help out. Not care how small it is. Me would have thankful for that. You see them? 2 kids. House pattern. So me already clean it up and so forth. You can see the place get burned and so forth. Jump. Everything burn up for me. Everything burn up. Me just clean off it yesterday and say, me don't know what can go on, but me I beg a little help out there. If I even a little, me that thankful for it. Because me have 2 kids now without a home, me without nothing. Me just dep on me face back, everything. Me just a beg a help because everything what me have gone. Everything. Small it is. Me thankful for it.
You know, viewers and subscribers, if the things that this female said, if they are as accurate as to how she said it, then I hope that she get the help that she's asking for. You see? I'm not saying that the female is lying, but I've never seen the female before face to face. I've never even talked to her, whether by phone or so forth. That's why I said certain things for security reasons. So if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, decide to help this female, you'll be doing so at your own risk. Alright? And if the things that she said, if they are as true as to how she said it, then I really hope she get the help. If not for her, then at least for the children. You see? Alright, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And the next video I'm going to present to you, this video shows some things that might surprise some of you, my viewers and subscribers. The language that has been used in this video is not English. So some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not understand some of the things that have been said in this video. Now, I do not want to give away the surprise when it comes down to this video, but I'm going to tell you that this video shows a very beautiful room at a premises that might surprise you. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Llama a José que venga a verla.
No, pero que tú eres un monstruo, esto es increíble.
Para que ponga la de él así.
No, pero eso lo tiene mamacita. Esto hay que grabarlo. ¿Puedo entrar?
Sí, entra.
Oye, pero qué chulería, hermano mío. Y cualquiera cree que tú, ay Dios mío. No. No, para que tú veas que cuando se quiere se puede. No, pero qué preciosura, hermano mío. Se pasó. Ey, tú eres un monstruo. ¡Qué chulería! Mujeres, ya ustedes saben, este hombre vive solo. No. Mujeres, arranquen para acá que este hombre está soltero. No, pero tú eres un monstruo. Eso lo voy a enseñar yo, tu lunazo. Ah, pero mira qué chulería, mi hermano. Cualquiera cree que el hombre está.
Ah, pero tú te vas a sorprender que vive ahí en el taller.
Sí.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, whosoever won that room is an ambitious person or persons. Yeah, because I can more than one person live there at that room, in the viewers and subscribers. I mean, what if that room is owned by a couple? So may I say? So, yeah, whosoever won that room is an ambitious person or persons. Yeah, so may I say, yeah, me say ambition when I look at that video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And it inspired me too. Yeah, I'm inspired by that video. Alright, so let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.